Hello guys, how you people doing? Also now they fine. Please follow my page, Untouchable Mama backup page, Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube, na me still get her Unto Mama TV, na my own. So my people, about that video where I do concerning that Pikin where be say they for 19 years old. It's supposed to be father where can't do DNA, can't notice say the Pikin not be old. I received many call. I received call for that video. So people mama, the mama supposed to still do DNA to see whether na him born the Pikin, because if it happen for hospital, say now for hospital then for change the Pikin. So I still explain to them, say because of say the video are not doing live, so you know now when it come you go cut am. So I just say me I just talk am for here. The mama now for house now for born, okay? No, say all those say the day where be say they born people. So now there she for born. She not born for hospital. Maybe say okay now maybe as she born for hospital now make the like all those things where be say they know the all those nurse before they will change Pikin. They no. She born her for house. Now the day house she for born. And now only she born that very day. Okay, say when all those they not they like get people like that where come they born. The woman know what she did do. Because according to the man wey be say he talk this thing come out, the time where during that time where be say the Pikin small, so he with this woman can't get misunderstanding wey una know the way take dey be now. So this woman wey be say he carry another person Pikin come, so can't tell the papa of this man, can't they tell am say as they quarrel in with the boyfriend, me I just call him boyfriend, then they quarrel. So he can't tell this man say this Pikin where he born for una so this Pikin where I born so not be una get am. Now understand? Not be una get am, and you no go fit answer una son name because not be una Pikin. So as he tell his father, so the father can't tell his daughter. He can't call his daughter. He can't tell her say see wetin happen, see wetin this girl talk. Say the Pikin where he born. He no fit answer their son name because not be their Pikin, not be them born am. So he say papa come as he tell his sister now. So his sister come like na quarrel because of say him with his brother the quarrel. Maybe na him make am talk that way say no be una born am. But I believe say she believe say na annoyance na make am say talk am. No knowing say no be annoyance make am talk am, my people. Let's say this man not do this test if we not even know what they go on. Not be because of say they verse. She already know say that Pikin not be that man get am. Say people wey dey for Nigeria, they know they take things serious because of say money not there, nothing to all those things. If na abroad, person talk that kind thing, they go take am like okay, wetin go happen na CNA na go talk who be the papa, because the mama they know say na you born am, but who give you the belle wey be say you want come put am for another person body. That's it. This woman now, hey my God, how this woman go take explain everything to the Pikin? We don't know. My brothers and sisters, if now you did this condition of this man, if cause this man now say he even dey feel for the Pikin, because now his son name now he take go primary school, take go secondary school. Make this man just continue like okay, make him be like Pikin where be say adult or how una see am, because this man remember say he gets wife for house and other children, and this test where be say he do so, the wife don't know, because this man tell am say he want do test for this Pikin because something they like bother am for body. They tell am say not being born this Pikin. May kukuma just do this test. May see. As this test come out, he tell your wife say see test wey come out. First of all, his wife say the time when you want go do and say his wife tell am say you sure say not be you born am. He say when the test go come we go see. When the test really come, he can't tell your wife say this Pikin not be him born am. So the problem now where dey now, how this man go take do? If you dey there, you be man, or your opinion, just still drop am for the comment section. Make this man continue like okay, na me born am as adult Pikin where be say adult, or make a kukuma just comot the body. It no easy anyway, my people. 19 years. make kukuma just comot the body, because according to the way where the man say talk, he no believe say this woman go ever tell this Pikin the truth. Say no believe say go tell am, because this man now, by next year he go still go Nigeria. Whether may he just confront the Pikin, talk to am, say see wetin go on, I don't know, my people. No, so everybody get the way they say they like think. Me still think my own, you know. The Pikin not get any fault. Now that woman will be saying no wetin they do. He leave the Pikin because of say this family of this man, they still they okay small, you understand? So now me can just like make una just carry. Maybe the man will really give am belle. Maybe that one he not get anything, or maybe she not even know where the man they safe. So now make can just like put on for them. Some women that's what they do. If they friend two man, they see say one like if they okay pass the other one. If they get belle for the one where be say no they okay, they will go give out to the one where be say they okay small. Make that one like future go there for the Pikin. But they don't know say then they do something bad to affect that Pikin, to affect that man. Because Pikin where be say Igbo person born. Maybe we just talk like this. Igbo person born. Why you go give am to Isha person or Benin person, or go give am to Robo person? Can you imagine? The Pikin, he no know the origin of where he for come. He no know who be a real father. And this boy now, and he can't be boy. May tomorrow now where be say go come grow, he want come do marriage. Where he want come start? Hey Jesus, so. Anyway, the first still adult Pikin where be say no be you just born her as a biology father, but you go know say yes, you the adult the Pikin. No be this one where be say they carry the belle come and he can still tell you say I don't born for you. Ha! Some women sha the way one tell they do no good oh. No be only that man on they affect oh. The Pikin one still born still they affect them. Many Pikin for that Niger, not be over Niger self. Even at this abroad where we still there, so many not be their father born them. Not be lie or many. If you know say you the suspect, go do test just to clear that thing come up for your mind. Like this our brother now where be say he go do this test now. Like say not do that thing for still they tell and say this Pikin not be your Pikin, this Pikin not be your Pikin, this Pikin not be your Pikin. So he never like open up like say 100% this Pikin na my own. But he get the thing where they tell and you understand. Even when the Pikin go nearer, he say the thing when they tell and say not be your Pikin, not be your Pikin, not be your Pikin. Hey Jesus, so women, I just gotta say beg una, make una still suffer. Make una still suffer. If person na shoemaker na give you belle, tell that shoemaker say I get belle for you. So that shoemaker go know say he get Pikin for them. Maybe this one now, he don't even know say this woman get belle for her. Now where be say the Pikin now going to 20 years. You can go see another papa, another family. How you want to start? How they want to love her? I not just know my people. I beg, leave your comments for them. Leave your comments for them. Make the man kukuma just like carry, they go. But he go no say no be you. As far as say don't do the test. He go still they love her as he said they do before. Or make it just come out his hands. Make the Pikin go look for the real father. But if you not consider the real father, uncle, this kind of thing, person if you just like, okay, wait till I can't define for this life. It go just go by itself. It still they happen. If you're not strong enough, person where you call daddy for many years, they'll come tell you say not be your real father. The thing will like, how come? And this woman, you just feel a concern. Who even know whether the 2 children, be 3 children, were born for another person, whether that man where he married so now still get them. Hey, so women, una mind not good though. So I just say me I clear this one because of those people where they say call me and that video and not talk and put say this woman na house for born, not be hospital. So they not change that Pikin. I know say they happen for hospital like that. Say sometimes you go born another person Pikin, they feel give am to you because of say then they do mistake. All right, my people, thank you. Please leave your comment. Tell me to share this video, love and like and share to your friends. Leave your comment. Wanna see about this our brother? What you go do? If now you, what you go do? Bye bye for now. God bless you as you do.